Hi. Hi, this is Archie. Good day to you guys. I have this brand new gadget from Shure. It's MVL microphone. It's supposed to make my microphone system and mobility in my vlogging very easy because it's from Shure. But I'm also going to test this mic with or against my Sony DM50 or D50. But I'm so happy that it arrived this afternoon, and I also had my 2 hour nap this afternoon. Yesterday, I did the song. I did the song, the Visayan song, for 4 hours. Actually, for 4 hours, doing retakes, just to get retakes, just to get um, 98 or 95% of good vocals for YouTube. I'm happy that I was able to showcase. It's not perfect, but when you sing live, anything can happen. It's either you don't hear yourself perfectly, but I think I was able to showcase the song 95 to 98%. It's not 100%. I'm only human. It was a Visayan song I wrote in 1991. And I'm testing this. One, two, three. Sure microphone. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Yeah, does it sound good in your end? I'm wearing a Canada hat. I think was given by my daughter or given by Daisy. I forgot about it. I'm really sorry. And today I'm using a mint green shirt. It's the color of money. Ah, it's good to take a nap. You're refreshed. Um, you can think better. So it's up to you guys. Tell me if this sounds good or this sounds bad. It's coming from Shure, and the model is MVL from Shure. It's a Shure Lavalier microphone. MVL is the model. Thank you very much.